Hello my friends, welcome back. Today we are reviewing AstroAI electric pump. This is a portable air compressor pump. It has metal cylinder, LED lighting, fast inflation, larger pressure range, 160 PSI. Let's go ahead and open this up and show you what you get inside. Alright, right away inside we see they provide you with a manual, a fuse, and also a different tip. That could be a spare. We'll have to check this out. Oh, that's nice. Check this out, guys. So, nice design. You have off, low, and high. You have PSI, bar, KPA, plus and minus. On the back here, you have your pressure hose. And it actually goes inside here to keep it wrapped. Inside here, you have your cable. So let's pull this out here. So that's nice. Nice storage inside there as well. So it's got a nice carrying handle right here. On the side, there's holders for different ends that you need to inflate different objects. So it says back here, continuous operation for 20 minutes, working pressure 160 PSI, 60 watts of power, and it goes over a couple things that you need to know, so make sure you read that when you get yours. Guys, as soon as you plug it into your cigarette outlet, it's going to turn on just like this. And you're going to be able to set the PSI to whatever you want, up to 160. And you also have a light on. So that's just a light. This is a light and it's on. You can press this to set the bar, KPA, and whatnot. So because it's winter time and there's nothing to inflate, I just wanted to show you guys how it works and how loud it is. And it does have a nice light that lights up. So for any of your inflating needs, this will work really good for you guys. And they do provide you with plenty of length cable, so you can pull it outside of your vehicle as well and use it.